What is Joe Biden doing about deportations? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. We here at the Hacking Law Practice are still celebrating the inauguration of Joseph R. Biden as our 46th president and of the induction as vice president of Kamala Harris, the daughter of immigrants. President Biden wasted no time. Once he took office, he headed back to the White House and started signing a series of executive orders. In this video, we're going to talk about the executive orders as they relate to deportation. So President Biden signed about 5 or 6 executive orders about immigration itself, and I want to cover some of them in this video. One thing that the president did was he reaffirmed the executive branch's commitment to the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. This is the DACA program, which was started under President Obama and allows individuals who are in the United States who came as minors through no fault of their own, who have followed the law, who have gotten either into college or a GED, who are contributing to society. It allowed them to do 2 things. 1, it allowed them to pause their deportation, and 2, it allowed them to get an employment authorization document. Well, President Biden has recommitted himself to the DACA program. Trump and the anti-immigrant folks in his administration tried very hard to undo DACA, but they failed miserably. Their first attempt was struck down by the U.S. Supreme Court for failing to follow the rulemaking procedures of the Administrative Procedures Act. And the second time they tried, it was struck down because they couldn't show that their appointees had been legally appointed and that therefore the decisions of the former acting head of DHS was illegal, and it got struck down again. So although Trump never was able to fully kill off DACA, Biden came in to make clear that he is very much committed to the DACA program. So the Biden administration will be sending legislation to Congress to not only restore DACA, but to allow a path to citizenship for these young people. I think this is a bill and a cause that's been going on for decades, and I think that with a democratically controlled House and Senate, we might just see meaningful immigration reform for these young people. We'll see how broadly Biden goes, but it's an interesting time. In addition, the president signed some other executive orders that have to do with deportation. One is that he ordered ICE to cut back on these interior immigration detentions. In other words, ICE is still going to be able to get people who were in the United States without authorization, but there was broader authority given to ICE, usually just outside of the border, within 100 miles of the border. But President Trump expanded that to give ICE greater powers across the entire country. Joe Biden has directed ICE and Homeland Security to prioritize who they want to deport and to not just give these roaming patrols to ICE. And so he curtailed or limited a lot of the authority that ICE has in these scenarios. Another thing that the president did is he's going to do away with a very controversial program called the Remain in Mexico program, the MPP. This forced immigrants who are trying to enter the United States to remain in Mexico. They're now going to be able to make their claims at the border subject to the coronavirus concerns. Finally, the president gave a little special love to a group of Liberians who are in the United States to allow them greater protection to stop their deportation. So an exciting first day of executive orders. We're going to talk about some of the other ones in other videos. But for now, just know that Joe Biden is really working to undo a lot of the damage that President Trump has wrought on immigrants and on immigrant families. And we, of course, are very excited about this. If you have questions about it, give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. If you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget, most Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1 Central Time, we are live in our Facebook group and on our YouTube channel, answering as many immigration questions as we can in just 1 hour. Thanks a lot, and hope to see you there.